Today, I'll show you how to enable Claude 4 Opus in Cursor.AI so you can take advantage of one of the most powerful models available inside the editor. We'll move through each step slowly and clearly, so by the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what each option actually means. First, start by opening Cursor on your computer. Make sure the app is fully up to date if possible, since new model options sometimes appear only in newer versions. Once Cursor is open, you should be on your usual editor screen where you write or review code. Next, we're going to open the settings. The quickest way to do this is with a keyboard shortcut. On most systems, you can press Ctrl plus comma. That means hold down the Control key, then tap the comma key once. After you do that, the settings panel should appear. If for some reason the shortcut doesn't work on your machine, you can also open settings by looking for a gear icon or a settings option in the app's menu bar. Inside settings, look for the section labeled Models. This is where Cursor lets you control which AI models are available and how they're used. If you see multiple sections or categories on the left or top of the settings window, just click on the one called Models to bring it into focus. Now, within the Models section, you'll see an option called Max Mode. This is an important switch. Max Mode is what unlocks access to the most powerful models, including Claude 4 Opus. Think of Max Mode as a high-performance setting. It enables more advanced capabilities, but it may also use more credits or resources depending on your Cursor plan. To proceed, turn on Max Mode. Usually this means clicking a toggle so it changes color or moves to the on position. After Max Mode is enabled, the list of models that you can use should expand or update. Take a moment to let the interface refresh if needed. In that model list, you're now looking specifically for Claude 4 Opus. The models might be grouped by provider or by capability, so scroll through the list carefully until you find the entry labeled Claude 4 Opus. Once you see Claude 4 Opus in the list, you need to enable it. This might appear as a toggle, a checkbox, or a selectable option next to the model name. Click to turn it on or select it, depending on how Cursor presents it in your version. When it's enabled, you should see a clear visual indicator, such as a highlighted state, a check mark, or an active toggle. At this point, Claude 4 Opus is available inside Cursor. To make sure everything is working, you can close the settings panel and go back to your main editor. Open the AI chat or command interface you normally use and look for the model selector, usually near the top or within the chat sidebar. You should now see Claude 4 Opus as one of your available choices. Select it there if you want to use it as your current model. That's all you need to do. You've opened Cursor, gone into settings, found the model section, turned on Max Mode, and enabled Claude 4 Opus in the model list. From now on, whenever you want the most advanced reasoning and coding assistance Cursor offers, just make sure Claude 4 Opus is selected in your model options and you're ready to work.